Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, super sunny day. What is up? Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. You guys have been following me lately. Basically, I moved, I'm in this room, I decorated it, it's beautiful, it's great, awesome. But I'm not gonna lie, I just have felt like, I don't know, like I need another change. I change my room around all the time. A lot of you guys are like, why do you move so much? And it's like, I don't really move a lot. I just move my room a lot. Personally, like, my bed is horrible. I feel like I haven't actually had a good night's sleep in like a month, just because the mattress is old, the actual bed frame creaks, it's a whole thing. I bought a new bed, and basically I decided from inspiration from that, I'm gonna do a big old room transformation. I'm gonna redecorate, and also it's not only going to be a transformation of my room, it's gonna be a transformation of me, kind of. Just changing my hair, and I felt like it would be a nice, like, okay, life-changing transformation, like externally, kind of internally in a way. I felt like I should film the process for you guys of how I'm kind of like refreshing myself, which obviously, like, you don't need to buy things or change stuff about you to have like a refresh. This is just things that I felt like I have really wanted to do that I'm just going to finally do, and I don't know, I'm very excited. And super cool thing is this video is actually sponsored by Lowell Mattress. They are a mattress company, and they sent me one of their like amazing mattresses, and I'm just so excited. It's in a box, which is crazy. So I am actually gonna take down my bed right now, get the mattress up. It takes like 24 hours to actually expand. In the meantime of that kind of expanding, I'm going to redecorate all of this. It just seems like a little bit busy. Almost decluttering, reorganizing type of videos, because that's what this is gonna be. And also my hair, I'm changing. It's a full 24-hour transformation. Very nice. Oh.
It's all packaged in there.
That's so weird.
Now we gotta lug it upstairs.
Whee! Alright, so we got the mattress unwrapped. It's gonna take about 24 hours to fully expand. So in the meantime, we are gonna go grab my bed frame that I just got. I've never bought myself a bed frame, so it's like a big deal. I've literally had the same one since I was like 10. So this is the first time I've ever bought like furniture from IKEA.
Not one person. Don't break it. Make it. We'll build this and see how it turns out.
So now I'm at the hairdresser, and I want to show you guys a before of my hair, and basically it's just like I want it to be a lot blonder, so that's what's gonna happen. I don't know how blonde it's actually gonna turn out, but we will see. I'm ready to get transformed, that's for sure. Okay, but like, what? So technically it's not as white or like cool toned as kind of my plan, but basically it's because she had put in a like darker root color, so to get that out just takes like a little bit of a process. So this is the first step, and then the next time I go in, it'll probably be like super white. I'm surprised I even got this white. I am very happy. Oh. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of a Polaroid wall in a way. I printed out a bunch of these and I'm just gonna stick them. I just have this little sticky stuff from Target. Okay, so it's definitely not perfect with like the lighting and stuff, but transformation, here she is. Say hello to my new room and my new hair, which I kind of like already showed, but this is me with my full makeup, which my makeup I do the same like every single day. I made a video about it. I'll link it down below. It technically has been longer than 24 hours, but the actual like transformation of like my hair and my room was over 24 hours. It's just now I'm filming this a week later. There was some stuff that happened, so overall, these kind of changes have made such a big difference. I know it's like, for me, it's just hair, but I feel so much more like me. I haven't even curled my hair yet. I actually just washed it for the first time since I've got it done, and it was so exciting. And also with my room, I moved it around. As you guys saw, I was kind of like trying to figure out the feng shui of my room, and I feel like I've finally gotten it. And the new mattress that I had gotten from Lol, which thanks Lol, honestly, I've slept on it for about a week now and it has changed my life. Oh my goodness. It doesn't like wobble. I hate when you get into bed and your bed kind of like slides down. This one does not do it. Ugh. Putting my bed next to a window, I don't know why, maybe it's because in my head I'm like a sunflower, where I just need light or I need to see outside, even though it's not like I live somewhere super naturey, although look at those. Look at those trees. You know, I gotta have, you know, some jean jackets out and about to show my love for denim. And it just makes the whole room feel so big, and I feel so much like less stress going into a space that just inspires me a lot. So this whole weird video of 24-hour life transformation, I have no idea what I'm even going to call it, has been really awesome. It came at a really perfect time because if my room was how it was while some things were going on, I don't think I would have made it. I can't wait until it rains because I'll be right there on my laptop looking out the window full of happiness. If you guys did enjoy this really weird transfer-ish video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me's, make sure that subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. If you guys would like to keep up to date with me during the week, make sure you are following me on Instagram and Twitter, alexandshine83, where I keep you guys up to date if there's anything like going on. I know my uploading schedule was kind of weird last week, so definitely make sure you're following me on there. Again, thank you Lol, and make sure to check out the link right down below. But I hope you guys have a super sunny day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!